All right, this is our first virtual gallery walk. And so I just wanted to give you some tips for how to navigate this experience. So we've got our gallery here, and what you're going to do with your graphic organizer for the first round is you're just going to visit the different stations. And what you'll see is that when you click on each picture, it takes you to, I think about it as another room in the gallery where you can learn more about each topic. So the first 10 minutes, your job is really to kind of open these windows up, look around at the stations for each one. Each one of these pictures represents a station. So when you open up that picture, you'll see usually a video or an audio source, a picture source. So this is a photo essay right here, and 1 to 2 articles to read. And so you're going to first just click around the different stations, kind of jotting down in the graphic organizer what you notice and what you wonder. So what are some things that are sticking out to you, and what are questions that are coming to your mind, or what does it remind you of from your own life? And then second round, we will pause and you'll decide, okay, which of these stations am I most interested in? Where do I want to spend some more time? And let's say you chose mutual aid, then you will spend a little bit more time with each of these sources. So part 2, digging deeper, is when you're going to really jot down your specific responses to each kind of media. It's a multimedia gallery, so you're going to respond to the audio you see, the visuals you see, and then you're going to close read one of the articles at your station. So you'll write the title of the article you chose to read, who published it, and then you're going to jot down 3 main ideas and 3 pieces of supporting evidence from that article. When you finish with that, if you are doing this asynchronously, if you're not here in class today, you're going to go to the Google form. Let me pull it up to show you. All right, when you're done, if you're doing this from home, you're going to go to Mastery Check 115. It's linked to our assignment, and you're going to fill out what you think your purpose would be in responding to the world that we're seeing today. So what mood do you want to convey, and what message do you think the world needs to hear? Since these are poems for the present, what is the message you want to create in your poem?